Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best Guyanese Pinetart. It is an amazingly delicious pastry dessert and I'm sure you guys are definitely going to love it if you haven't had this already. So let's jump right into this video. And I placed it over my pan on a medium-high heat. Then I added some cinnamon sticks, and you are going to adjust the sweetness to your likeness and taste with the sugar. I mean, it's based on the sweetness of your pine as well. I did also add some cloves, and you are going to cook this down until it reduces to a jam-like consistency. And I'll show you what it should look like. You're going to remove the cinnamon sticks and the cloves, and this is what it looks like. This is absolutely delicious. You can just eat this in bread, which I did too. Yeah, but let's make our pastry dough. Now, the measurement to making this all butter pastry crust, absolutely delicious. It is going to be in the description. I'll leave the link actually in the description box. And everything that I use here to make this. It is pretty simple. And it should look like this. I mean, what is a good pastry without a good pastry crust? So here I'm adding my water. And as you can see, I'm doing it most of it in the food processor. And this is 7.5 tablespoons of water. Then when it comes together, I'm going to pour this out into a nice clean bowl. And we are going to pull this together. Do not add any water, please. All right, when you pull it together, you're going to roll this out. Or you can divide it and place it in your refrigerator, but I just went straight ahead to make this, which you can do as well. You're gonna cut out to your desired sizes here. You want it smaller, larger, it is up to you. Awesome. So I did egg wash the end, and that is just egg and some water in together. Then there you can see I'm adding my delicious pine mixture in the center. I spread that out and we are going to fold like this. We're going to egg wash and bake in a 350 degrees oven until they're nice and golden brown, which is about 35 to 45 minutes. And voila, this is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious. And I do hope you guys try this one. If y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Be kind to yourself and each other. Bye bye now.